Hello, everybody. I'm Pam, and I love Canva. And if you know me, you know that. But if you don't know me, welcome. And I love Canva. I'm going to show you something really cool. You might already know about it, whatever. However, this is going to involve in Canva. But some of us like patterns, right? And this was just one image, but now I made it a pattern. And same with this one image, but now it's a pattern. And then I have this one image, and now it's a pattern. And if we tried to do this on our own, I'm sorry, but we probably couldn't get it as good, right? Like, it would just be weird. I want to show you how to do this. Now, one thing I do want to say is they moved something on me again, and it took me a while to find it. I used to be able to do different page views or whatever. It only gives me the grid and this one. If you can't find it, go up to File and Page View. You can do single page, thumbnails, grid. Scroll is grid. I was combining the two. I like thumbnails. That way I can see them all right here. A single page, has a single page. Thumbnails, that's the one I did. The scroll is just scrolling down like that, right? And then the grid is just up here. But we could do the scroll and the grid down below. But the thumbnails wasn't coming up for me. And I didn't like that because I liked the thumbnail one. But down here is where you could do that. But anyways, I just had to share that I did not like them moving that like that. But oh well. Let's go ahead, and I'm just going to start a new page. But I just wanted to show you what I'm talking about, patterns, all right? And I normally use a pattern for like a background on a website or social media, but some people like to make them for, products that they print. That it's a thing. All right. We're going to go over to apps on the side panel over here. And we're going to put in pattern. And there's quite a few. So go ahead and try whatever one you like. There's quite a few. I'm going to do the tile to pattern just to show you. And then I might try another one out. We'll see. You go to choose file. I am going to grab, let's see here. You know what? Let's go ahead and grab this one just for the sake of being fun. All right, so it automatically gave me this right here, but I could also change it up the pattern a little bit. And then you can also, let's see here, you can also zoom it if you want it bigger. I don't know why you would want that, or smaller like I did the one. So you just do it for the size that you want. And then horizontal, you can move it. I'm just going to stay with the 0 for now. And then vertical, you can do the same. All right. And then you can do a fill page or custom. So let's just go ahead and add design. And there we go. And this would make a very cute background. And I'm just going to just refresh the page real quick. Okay, and then we're going to go over to elements. And I'm going to grab the one we just did. Now, if you feel like you need to crop it, you can still come over here and crop if you want. can move it any way you want. And I am going to, let's see here. Like you can even put this like on the back of, you know, if you have some Halloween pictures or something like that, that would be fun. Just take that out, but that's an idea. Um, let's see here. Let's do some frames. Maybe you have a frame you want to use. And put like Happy Halloween, you know, hey, ideas, people. And then if you're having maybe a Halloween party, you can put, you know, the invite right here on it, like that. Just thinking. And then if you just need some, I'm just going to put here Halloween. There's all kinds of little things you can do here. Let's see if we put this in. This would be cute. Actually, let's take this out, put this right there. Okay, and then we are going to go up here to position it. We're going to go center. We're going to center that. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to do the transparency down a little bit. You know, these are just fun ways to use this. And then maybe this one, hold on, the elements, not Halloween frames. Okay, I'm going to come back to that one. All right, this one I am elements. Want not a frame, so I'm going to go up here. I'm going to go banner. Look. No. Okay. All right. I am going to do square because I'm looking for something particular, but sometimes I don't know exactly what it is, the wording that I want. Okay, so I mean this might work. Okay, I'm going to make this that color, and I'm going to make orange, and then I would put some text in here. And I'm going to go to, okay, here we go. And make this, oh, so I'm not been liking this little thing lately. It just always disappears on me. So I don't know what's going on. But I could easily just put in the numbers. You know, I'm just sharing. This isn't, I would maybe put some more little clip art in here. Happy Halloween. You can do some effects, glow, echo, drop, you know, things like that. And let's do 90. It's probably too big. Well, not quite. 85 might be a good. And then if the line is too, like if you want it to be a little bit of spacing, you can go up, down, whatever works for you. And then if I wanted to color in that purple, I can. And if I wanted to go a little bit lighter, then I would just go a little bit lighter like that. That looks good. Just, play around with what you have in here. And then this one, elements, I'm going to, I think I had something I was going to use. I was just going back in my recents. And then maybe this could be like, please come to our birthday party or a Halloween party or something like that. Here I can make this like a little advertisement. That is cute. As like just a little wall art maybe. And then if we wanted to, we could just add something else. Or we can add just the main picture of this, I bet you. Let's see here, uploads. Let's take this one out. This is the guy that's in the background. So let's go ahead, remove the background, and then we'll just take it up here. Yeah, there we go. And you definitely don't want to like make your own patterns by doing this. Let's see here. If we're going to do a pattern, let's pretend. Okay. And then, some people do this and then they go do that, and it just, you can do this, it's okay. But did you see how easy it was? Just use the app. There's all kinds of pattern ones. Use the one that works best for you. Thank you.